Class 7, Subject English. Unit 3.1. Sleep baby, sleep. Sleep baby, sleep. Your father herds his sheep. Your mother shakes the little tree from which fall pretty dreams on thee. Sleep baby, sleep. Sleep baby, sleep. The heavens are white with sheep, for they are lambs, those stars so bright, and the moon's shivered of the night. Sleep baby, sleep. Sleep baby, sleep, and I'll give thee a sheep, which with its golden bell shall be a little playfellow for thee. Sleep baby, sleep. Sleep baby, sleep, and bleat not like a sheep, or else the shepherd's angry dog will come and bite my naughty rock. Sleep baby, sleep. Sleep baby, sleep. Go out and herd the sheep. Go out, you barking black dog, go and waken not my baby so. Sleep baby, sleep. Thank you.